Hello? Zoe, you too late. The one time that I needed you, the one time, where were you? Exactly. But if you need something, you expect me to do it right now, right? Because that's how the relationship works. You want me to take you out, I take you out. You want flowers during the day while you're at work, I give you flowers. What else do you want from me, Zoe? No, no, no. I'm not even mad at you. I'm not even mad at you. I'm mad at myself for trusting you, for thinking that you could come through for me. Cause you know what? We're gonna talk later. Yo, bro, come back. Dintsang mfana kukren. Uva mabuda mtshela ukuthi sahosta namhlanje i-smash pasta. Everybody needs to be there, dog. Mina nathanda ukungenza i-lead ebhedayo. Bafethu ngicela like nenze izinto professional. Professionalism comes first when it comes to me, bafethu. Ngifundeleni kanti i-drama? Ngoba siyifundele leyo nto. Bafethu uceleni mina kancane ngicela umabuda dang mina ngizofonela uSarenton kwamanje. Oh, Saren, are you good, dog? Imagine I broke up with my girlfriend right now. Yeah, I know you told me. I know you told me. I listened to your advice and I went through for it, but nothing I could have done besides throwing our relationship away, I guess. Yeah, so we're gonna talk, girl. Smash your pasta. Okay, make sure you there by 3. Make sure you there by 3 p.m. I need everyone there. I already have a lot going through. So please, ningangifaki nje stress, ningangifaki under pressure. Let everyone be there and please be my assistant for the day. Like ihlanganisa wonke umuntu. Yeah, kube njalo. Always. Again, I got you, dog. So khuluma. Yeah. Mama, kunjani? I was about to call you, yazi. Ngithi ngiyaphuma la endlini ke mina ngiyaliya ngidlala lama games wami, ngiyenza ama-content. Yeah, already vele abantu bakhona. Mama ngifuna ukwazi yazi. Ngihlukene naye maka sokhuluma mama tu. Ane? Yeah, sharp.